Mr. Akshay Khanna, a veteran actor of Bollywood. इन सभी का जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए. I also call upon Ms. Farhad Daima Kumar, Senior Vice President of GSFC in Marketing Industrial Product. I also call upon Mrs. Anita Ganguly, Senior Vice President GSFC in HR, IR, Corporate Communication, GAD and Medical Service. इन चारों के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Come on. Thank you, all the dignitaries. I am sure we all are eagerly waiting for one of the famous personalities. He's right here among us. A very famous actor, जिन्होंने acting से हम सबका दिल जीत लिया है. हम सबके favorite भी है वो. He's a veteran actor of Bollywood who has given many blockbusters to Indian cinema. He's the son of great Bollywood superstar Vinod Khanna. After studying in Kishore Namit Kapoor acting in schools in various movies, on this special notice, it's my honor and privilege to invite the superstar, the Bollywood superstar, our favorite actor, Mr. Akshay Khanna, the brand ambassador of the GSFC product. Sir, I request you to please come forward to give a short speech. तालियों से इनका स्वागत कीजिए. Come on.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honor to be here as the brand ambassador for these new products, CRF and PRF. I'd like to say a few words about the product. That it's very rare that we come across a product that's, I think everybody in this room and everybody in this country will agree that as far as our construction industry is concerned, whether it's the bridges that we drive under, the roads that we drive on, our railway stations, our housing, whether it's low-cost housing, high-cost housing, generally speaking, I think we can all agree that the quality of the construction in our country can see huge improvements. And I think the launch of CRF and PRF is going to be a massive step in the right direction in seeing that dream come true. I think the beauty of these two products is essentially twofold. One is that it is a product that can be used by the poorest of the poor and by the middle class right up to the very rich. Whether it's a small village panchayat that decides to make a block of toilets in their village for their women and children, to making huge airports and ports and runways, to people who are making small houses for themselves for the first time, pakka houses in a village, right up to people who are staying in multi-crore houses in cities like Bangalore or Bombay. So it is a product that can be used by all sections of society. I think the second most important point that one needs to touch upon regarding this product is that very few products actually launched in the market that actually save the consumer money. And CRF and PRF is one of those products which is very, very rare. I'll leave it up to the technical team to enlighten you on exactly how it saves the consumer money, which they will do, I'm sure. But I think these are two very unique aspects of a product, and also a product that is used widely in developed countries, but this is the first time in India that a product such as this is being launched and is going to be used by the people of our country for the first time. So I think it's an extremely exciting product. It's a product that's going to, or has the potential in the future to really revolutionize the way we do construction and really improve the quality of all our cement and structures and interiors that use huge amounts of plaster as well. Just to conclude, I'd like to congratulate the entire team of GSFC, Dr. Nanda, the scientific team of GSFC, the technical team, the marketing team, the management team, for the successful launch of these wonderful products. And thank you all for taking your time and coming here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for the lovely speech. Okay, एक और की खुशी की बात है. आई एम श्योर हम सबने देख ही चुका होगा कल. यस, कल हमने गुजकॉन का नया एड ऑन एयर किया था. आई एम श्योर हम सभी ने उसे ज़रूर देखा होगा, उसे दोबारा देखना चाहेंगे. तो आई एम श्योर आपको भी एड इतना ही पसंद आया होगा जितना हमें आया है. नाउ इट्स माई ऑनर टू इन्वाइट ऑन स्टेज द चेयरमैन एंड द मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ गुजरात स्टेट फर्टिलाइजर्स एंड केमिकल लिमिटेड. ही इज ऑल्सो द वन ऑफ द टॉप ब्यूरोक्रेट्स ऑफ इंडिया, often referred to as visionary administrator and the man of management. He is a true leader of man with a wealth of experience as diverse as protecting tribal heritage to nutritional security and disaster relief to management and rehabilitation. He has often worn many hats in his ongoing and illustrious career and made each different stink a new jewel in his crown. Food fortification to fight hidden hunger and Kisan credit cards are novel initiative of Dr. S.K. Nanda. After taking over as CMD at GSFC, company's financial performance improved and received so many awards beside introduction of neem coated and polymer coated urea and introduction of Sardar Agri package leads to water and energy conservation with improved fertilizer use efficiency. With full honor and respect, I would like now to invite the famous personality, that's Dr. S.K. Nanda, the chairman and the managing director of Gujarat State Fertilizers and Chemicals.
Good evening, friends. Our very favorite, dear to heart, and whom I like most is Akhay. And Akhay today is there to launch it officially, this product in Mumbai. This product, as he says, goes into homes, goes into buildings, goes into roads, goes into towers, anything which connects human beings, anything that gives shelter to human beings. Let me tell you, when people have got a habit of opening the umbrella, whenever rains take place, isn't it? Immediately they take off their umbrellas so that rains don't fall. But there are also people who have the umbrellas on the left, they give it to others, and they go out in the open to feel the showers of the rain and to feel the raindrops on their palms, and to see the excitement of this new rain, a new product. And that is what Akhay is. He has almost all the actors, from beginning to end. They have been all involved with products which are either food to be eaten, for beauty, for slimming, for cooking, for drinking, isn't it? This is the kind of nature of products. But here is a person who, like my wavelength, he got enticed to a product that would be endearing to all, permanent to the country, and it would be a solid foundation for the society. And what is this product? This product is a very simple product, but this product is only manufactured by us other than the two countries, America and Belgium. We have got a patent on this product. This product would be cheaper. This product would be durable. This product would definitely prevent cracks of the buildings. This product would prevent the moisture and rain retention water on the slabs or on the walls. And this product would also be able to give stability to the roads that connects and what you call infrastructure. So a person, an actor, got provoked by our presentation and he decided to be with us on this issue of a permanent thing which you can never fade away. Beauty will fade away, pinky loops will go away, the products will go on changing, but this product is not going to change. This product is going to be a very endemic feature of our construction, of our industry, and it is going to get relief to people. It will save the cement industry. It will give a new earning tool to the hardware industry. It will also be a helping hand to the women at home who need one cement bag only to repair their toilets. But they would also add, they will not forget to add this product after seeing the ad, so that again they have not to call the carpenter or the plumber. So this is the kind of thing which he has gone for. Let me again try to tell you that could you think 30 years before that one day the prices of the oil, which were 140 once upon a time, would come down to 30? Never one could imagine in his dream. So what was happening? Some people in the manufacturing industry, some people who are in the visionary industry, they were thinking of bringing the solar power in such a way that would bring down the solar costs. And it is estimated that by 2030, the 100% energy needs of the people in the whole world at free cost, at no cost, would be available from solar. That is the kind of projection the world global people have given us. In the same way, now we may be 1% in terms of usage in the market, but this is an exponential product. An exponential product does not follow the linear method 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It starts, if it's a 1% today, it is halfway of 100% tomorrow. It is like a gulf, the fire, which will engulf every industry. And this is the product which in his hands we got inaugurated today. We have got the launching done in Delhi. The presentation, of course, would follow to give you the why, way, and how, what of this product. But I can tell you that this product is going to be one of the greatest products of this, not only my company, but for this country. Because this country would not depend on waste for stability of its buildings and roads, nor it would have anything short of permanency to restore the buildings and the roads which crack every 2 years and year. And the builders, architects would be very happy, particularly when the National Highway Authority of India and the building people who are concerned with our validation, the authorities were involved in the defense. They have almost approved this product, and day by day, leaf by leaf, we'll be having the product rolling out. Production is not an issue. It is not that I want to sell, the product is very cheap. It is basically we want to see to it that we have stable buildings, good roads, pakka buildings, leak-proofing walls, good slabs. And this we have got every right to have after so many years of independence. We want to have an enlightened and a very decent life. We cannot be cheated by people. We cannot have a cement which would be giving us the power, which would be short of giving us the protection. So anything that is added to this product would give the protection, the shelter, and the wherewithal to go ahead. And I'm sure Mr. Akhay will prove lucky for the company. And I'm sure also that it's not the company alone. The company doesn't get much of mileage in terms of its profitability or its books of accounts. He'll be remembered in the history of infrastructure for having propelled, triggered, and provoked a product which normally we do it through an engineer. Normally it is done through the Sarkari agencies. But we thought this product, an infrastructure product, normally actors, they don't touch it because they normally the FMCG angle is always lost. There is no FMCG angle here. It's not a fast moving consumer goods, but it is definitely a slow moving permanent good. People will realize, people will innovate, people will think of it, people will plan for it, and gradually, and wherever the product is there, he will be there. Yeah, I may not be there, he may be somewhere, product would be always there, but his photo would be there. Memories may fade, but contribution would never fade. And that is what this product is for. And I'm sure he'll be like the fellow who would be not only the Gujcon for us, he would be the really icon for us. Gujcon for all of you, icon for all of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving us such a highly informative and motivational speech. I would say he's not only an individual, but for us, an institution. Sir, आपने अभी just कहा कि नो ये कंपनी काफ़ी ऊंचाई तक छुएगी क्योंकि हमारे पास इतने अच्छे ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है अक्षय जी. Yes, ज़रूर ये काफ़ी ऊंचाई तक छुएगी क्योंकि इतने अच्छे हमारे पास ब्रांड एम्बेसडर और इतने अच्छे हमारे CMD है तो ज़रूर ऊंचाई तक छुएगी. इनके लिए ज़ोरदार तालियां हो जाएं दोनों के लिए. Okay. Now I request Akshay ji and Nanda ji to please occupy the front seat. I am sure हम सब यहाँ जमा हुए हैं, इकट्ठा हुए हैं गुजकॉन के बारे में और कुछ
I'm sure. Any questions from the media? Yes, sir.
Dr. Nanda, I'm Shrikant Rao from Construction Opportunities. Congratulations on this new product, sir. I just want to know, what is your assessment of the size of...
It's an exponential product. Exponential product is, as of today, if you see, not even 1% of the total market share. But again, I said that 1% in exponential product could be halfway of the 100% tomorrow. Because this product, once people discover the enrichment which is there, no one wants to keep a home where there will be leaking roof or a peeling plaster or a crack proof, not having a crack proof wall. Once this campaign starts with Akshay ji, people start realizing it, it goes into the retail. I am sure that this thing would be not less than, for the next 1 or 2 years, not less than 200 crores. And though we have priced it very low, we have priced it low. The reason being, we want to tell people that we are not interested in any margins or profit, but we are interested to see that this company is able to contribute to your home building and road building.
Okay, all right.
Akshay.
Yeah, so this early stages in the launch of your product, since you'll have to propagate the very idea. But what is your assessment? By what point, what will be the inflection point for your product to really take off?
See, in terms of production, there is not a problem. Production is not an issue. We can go, if tomorrow there is 1,500, 5,000 tons need, we can be able to gear it up, no problem. But as of now, I can tell you this product has already been shipped to foreign countries like Burma, Southeast Asian countries are needing it. Sri Lanka is also in the run for it. I didn't want to tell today because we are talking of India.
Okay.
So, but the Indian market is gradually going to emerge.
Okay. So what is your strategy? How are you looking to push it apart from the road shows and things like that?
The strategy is that there are two ways of pushing the product. One is the hardware stores, second is the cement people, and third is the band of galaxy of architects and builders who do the designs. They are the people who tell the people what is good and what is bad. They will not go for cheapness in building. They will go for strength in the buildings. Once they discover the strength in this proposition, surely they would be able to advise the client about it. We stand on merit. We don't stand on campaigning, or we don't doing lobbying. We don't need to lobby.
So are you going to engage with the colleges and things like that to push the idea?
Colleges, yes.
Yeah. So is that one of your points?
The universities would be now involved. The technical faculties will be involved. The institutes are already involved. The practitioners and the implementers are who? The architects. They are the technical people.
Okay.
They are the civil engineers of the country. So they will themselves understand. It's a word of mouth publicity. It is not that they saw a magazine, therefore they are going for it.
Okay.
They will see the strength in the proposition. And we are not in a hurry. It's not that we are in a hurry that we will sell tomorrow, that's the target. No. In any case, before we could start in India sell, we have already got our foreign office ready.
Okay. Right.
Yeah.
But considering the fact that the government is now set to take off on all the projects, all the important projects, and 2016 is going to be such a huge year for implementation, at least the beginning of implementation, is there an urgency on the part of GFFC to push this product in some form or the other to the government and to engage with the government so that...
No, already we are in the government. This product was not by the government, this product is by us.
Yeah, so, okay.
So, we have entered the market, we have brought him, we are launching it. It is for betterment, it is for improvement, it is for upgradation, and therefore the government institutions and the government agencies are a part of the entire process of the approval and the regulation. So in addition, in the process of launching, automatically it will be spilling out to the civil society. Once it spills off to the civil society, the people who are involved in the civil society, they will start claiming and demanding for it. This retailing would be done also accordingly, and it will gradually take off. Because this is something new. People have not known about it. They thought of only Dr. Fix-It, because they have been saying it. I am not against Dr. Fix-It. But the point is that he has our technical persons have said that why it is important, it spreads uniformly, it gives equivalence, bioequivalence, absorption is good, and why it will be able to strengthen, what is the compression benefit. So all these things are there.
So what is the experience of engagement with the private sector, because you will need to collaborate with them on this?
The private sector means the sector which is headed by, which is geared and run and driven by the architects and engineers. They are the people who will be constructing roads and the buildings. Private sector himself is not going to construct a road. Even if he constructs a house, he will call an engineer. He will call a contractor. The contractor has to know. Once he knows, he will say कि no सब जैसा उनको बताया advertisement में वही बोलेंगे सब इसको करो आप.